guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monique, and today I'm going to show you how I do my glam eyebrows. This is not the eyebrow that I normally do when I go to work. I usually do something a little bit more natural. But today I'm going to be using the ABH Brow Wiz in dark brown. There are some other cheaper options, such as the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I can't remember exactly how much this one is, but I know it's under, I think it's under $10. Don't quote me on that, but I know it's much less expensive than this one. The ABH one is $21 at Ulta. And there's also one that you can get from the drugstore. It's from L'Oreal. It's like the Brow Stylist Definer, something like that. I really love that one too, but I ran out of it and also ran out of my NYX one, so I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills one today. I am really picky about my eyebrows. Backstory, whenever I was in, I think I was in elementary school, I saw my older cousin shave off his eyebrows, and I think that was a thing back then. So, you know, monkey see, monkey do. I decided to shave off my eyebrows when I was younger. I think I might have been like 3rd or 4th grade. So, shaved off my eyebrows, and I did this while my mom was sleeping. And after I shaved them off, I ran to her room and I was like, "Mom, I shaved off all my eyebrows." Because, you know, I was trying to make them look nice. I had bushy eyebrows. And so ever since then, I really try to take care of my eyebrows. That was such a traumatic experience. I looked like an alien, for real. To keep my eyebrows kind of in the same shape, I usually go get them threaded a few times a year, not very often, just because it hurts. It really does hurt getting your eyebrows threaded. And then I just usually use some tweezers to pluck them in between the times that I go. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. So the first thing I normally do is I take a spoolie and I just run through my eyebrows. So I have some eyebrows. It's a little scarce around the tail and like somewhere in the center. But if I don't feel like wearing makeup, I'm perfectly fine just going just like this. But normally I'll fill in my eyebrows at a time. So I'd make a line just going from the beginning all the way to the end. Just a line underneath. And then I start filling in with a very light hand. So I'll start kind of in the beginning and I'll fill in. And then now I'm just kind of making sure I'm spreading out the pencil. I really try to get a light hand when I get to the tail to make it look like hair. I'm just distributing the product some more. And it's okay if it gets a little bit messy because we're going to use some concealer to clean it up. So now we're at the beginning of the brow. This is where I usually go with a really light hand, just so it looks lighter and it goes to a darker brow. So I'm going to use very light strokes to make little hair. I'm just running the spoolie back through just to distribute the product. And to clean up my brows, I'm going to put some concealer on my hands, on the back of my hand just a little bit. And I'm going to take a flat brush like this to clean up my brows. Just put a little bit on the brush, and then I'm going to put this on the bottom to shape them. Then I'm just gonna blend this out. So I'm just blending out this concealer with my finger. And sometimes I will put some more concealer on the top side of my brow. Right here if I really want a super defined brow, but I don't usually do this all the time. Just because I don't want to get a halo brow. I'm gonna go back in with the spoolie one more time. Make sure I blend out this concealer. And that's really all I do for my brows, so it doesn't take me that long at all. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my eyebrow tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up. Bye.